I feel like giving this away, and hopefully it helps somebody out here that's struggling to build some kind of team or whatever when it comes to being a music artist. Now, as a music manager, I use this concept for every single one of my artists just because. But if you starting out in music and you have no kind of resources, no kind of connections, no nothing, what I would do if I were you is I would start what I call a proof of concept model, right? So what a proof of concept model is basically you have no resources, you have no way to break into the industry, you don't even have producers. I would start with producers. The proof of concept method is all about attaching yourself to somebody and then using what you made to what they have going on and leveraging it into relationships, right? If that makes sense. So I'll break it down. Here's what I do with my artists, right? So I'd be like, hey, you have no producer right now. Hop on YouTube, find some beats. Let's figure out your sound, right? So they hop on YouTube, they get a whole bunch of beats, but it always comes to the fact where it seems like they specifically pick like one producer or one or two producers beats, right? And when they record stuff and they're developing, they start to sound great over these beats, right? So I'm like, hey, do you like these beats? Because it seemed like out of the 10 songs we recorded, you picked 5 of his beats. So do you like his beats? They be like, yeah. Like, cool, let me do this. I send the producer all those recordings and be like, hey, I'm looking to either lease or buy the exclusives to these beats, right? But also, I want to send you these songs because if you like them, I would like for you to lock in with my artist. And usually what happens is you send them over, and if they like them, they'll say, yeah, here's the price. And I'm definitely liking what they got going on. I would definitely love to like lock in with your artist. Okay, cool. Now we figure out studio time, all that type of stuff. They come through, they meet, they vibe, and see what's going on. And just like that, you possibly have a connection, a producer that you can build your sound with, you know what I'm saying? And that's just the proof of concept, you know what I'm saying? We took what we can get our hands on and then created something to the best of our ability to give people a proof of concept or like an example of what we're looking to do, right? So you got great beats. This is an artist that's trying to, get up there. You like what they can do to your beats. How about we lock in and see what we can create together? You know what I'm saying? Proof of concept. But you can use that with anything, you know what I'm saying? Like, we've been doing that with film, you know what I'm saying? I'm also a director. I've been doing that with any and everything that I do. Like, I gotta show somebody what I can do because that's the main thing. To me, nobody is coming to help you if they do not see you trying to push yourself, right? That's my whole thing. But if you pushing yourself and you doing something that they can see and they can start to like get a groove and an understanding of what you're looking to do, then people come to help. My mama call them your destiny helpers coming to help. You know what I'm saying? The people that's supposed to be around to help you fulfill this destiny, right? So, proof of concept. If you got any kind of way you see this could fit into what you got going on, let me know in the comments.